Hello, today I've got a Master Lock 875 combination padlock, and we're going to decode it. So I've got the combination set right now to 0000. Got this locked. Let's over to the 1 position. Get that over here. Just spin these wheels a bit. All right. And lock it. Make sure it works. All right, and we'll spin these up again. And now it doesn't work. So let's get this set back to 0000. And we get started. So I'm just gonna apply pressure on lock and do kind of some jiggling on these here, looking for some movement. All right, the second one looks like it's got something. All right, number 1 looks good. 2, maybe not so much. Number 5 is pretty good. 4, excuse me. All right, got a movement there, and yeah, number 2 wasn't set. Maybe not on number 4. And we got it open. All right, so we got 4, 6, 9, 9. This combination. And that's it.